this is a pretty classic combination for pretty epic structure. When you have a little bit of convective inhibition remaining and you can get a storm to go on the dry line, and you have a lot of dry air aloft, that tends to sculpt out these storms. And we have fairly strong, fairly decent streamwise vorticity here in the low levels of the atmosphere. So that will allow perhaps for some of that pancake stack type structure. And again, with that drier air, that could sculpt out those storms and really make for a nice structure show there.
All right, here we are in Shattuck, and I've got Ching, Tony, and Michael, and apparently now Lisa walking up. Hi, Lisa. We've got storms initiating, and we are going to be chasing probably northwest Oklahoma up into Kansas later, hoping for beautiful structure today. So we are west of Arnett, hoping that this stuff gets going today and turns into Supercell in a little bit. There's already a storm and a reported tornado on the warm front way north Kansas, and then out here we've got stuff that came out of Colorado that is going to turn into a very strong derecho or whatever is going to happen today. A very strong wind event across Kansas. So we're praying for this isolated supercell for a few hours. Maybe a tornado potential, hopefully good structure, pancakes, what we're hoping for today. All right, we're on our first storm way south of Arnett, and we finally getting some structure coming in a little bit here, and hopefully it's just going to get better and better, moving to better moisture. Hopefully the base will drop a little bit, a little more vertical structure, but nothing really to the south to interfere except the long distance storm down by Childress. So we need this to just keep cooking, baby.
What's that? Is that ball right?
Out on the right side? Yeah. It looked for a second interesting, but oh my. No, just give me the supercell. No, it would be crazy. You have to be really far away to see that.
Yeah, you'd have to be that way.
Wait, Jason.
It's like, I get to top that, right?
That's right. But you wouldn't. Never quit chasing. Wow, we have top tier almost structure right here. I mean, we got a ways to go for top tier, but this is really good.
Well, it's pretty impressive.
Oh my lord. This is top tier. This is great. Okay. Sorry guys. Okay. Hit brake? Oh, well that's why you have it, I guess. Man, that's why we chase right here. Nothing even can hear me. fast that's moving in there, guys. All cloud area, the lowering and the rain. Look how fast it's spinning. Probably a tornado ongoing. Ooh, it might be that.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, there. That I think that's the tornado in there, somewhere in that white area, for sure. Today was unreal. Just really the structure of the year so far. We ended up finishing up near Hydro, Oklahoma, west of Oklahoma City. We kind of got caught off guard. The RFD rushed around. It just surged and kind of, all of a sudden it was there, and we tore out of there from our last spot and freaked us out a little bit. And then it produced a bunch of a couple more tornadoes towards Oklahoma City, but we bailed on it because we had to get up to Colorado for tomorrow, as we wanted to get to Dodge City. But great day. We'll look at a couple photos real quick. This is a pretty dehazed look of a wedge that was back in there. It's probably right around in there somewhere. Brought the dehaze down, but this was near Custer City, and I wish we went a little bit in a better spot to see it, but I think it's right there. But this was our first stop, and this was the storm looked like a little ways away, and this is what it looked like when we had to leave. I mean, it just ramped up so fast and got so epic. What a great day. So stay tuned for a lot of time lapses and stuff from this chase in the next Vorticity film. But hey, I never do this, but if you like my work and content, please subscribe and stick around.